Hey everybody, long time no see. Sorry I've not posted anything for a while. I've just been incredibly busy. Started the year very well with the Massey Ferguson sales, and long may it continue into March. And all the other thing as well is that this time of year it's difficult to get footage. It's been a bit wet around us and there's not much field work going on, and I say we're being so busy with one thing and another, just haven't got around to recording anything. Anyway, got something today that hopefully you'll find a little bit interesting. It's nothing new as such, but something that we do within Chandler's, and I'm sure one or two other dealers probably do it too. So here we go. Here we have a brand new 23 plate 7S.180 just sitting here ready to go out, and yes, you may say, gosh, that's nothing ordinary, nothing out of the ordinary probably, but there's things that you can do with a Massey that aren't necessarily available from the factory, and I was going to point a couple of them out. This tractor's fitted with a new, well, it's ex-demo actually, Massey Ferguson mower conditioner, and obviously the tractor's fitted with front spool and front PTO. Now someone's decided to move a tractor. The other thing is though with this tractor, and I'm sure you've probably already noticed, it's got a front loader as well. A customer who owns this tractor has had a Massey loader tractor for as long as I can remember, and this is just the latest one. Anyway, with this one, the new thing he's had, which he's not had before, is the front linkage and PTO and then the front mower. But with that, and with the way that Massey do the controls for the front loader now, there's another bloody van coming now, just when I want to record. Anyway, they do this now through a front mid-mounted spool, which is underneath here, somewhere down in there. And the beauty of that, of course, is that another van. The beauty of that, of course, is that it doesn't take up your rear spools. But likewise, you can only have 3 mid-mount spools. So we've got one that's going to control the loader, one that will control the front linkage, and one that will control the front spool. Here you cry. Nothing unusual here, perhaps. These front mowers, and again, I'm sure Massey aren't the only ones that do this, they have a side shift. For when you're going around a corner, you can shift your front mower one way or the other so you don't miss anything. So what we've had to do with this tractor, amongst other things, is because we've got a loader and a front linkage and a front spool, we couldn't have another front spool because it's just not possible through a mid-mount spool. You can only have 3 in total. So what we've had to do with this one is one of the guys has piped the second front spool to the back so that we can use that there. I think customer will be very happy with this. It'll be just a fair outfit for him. But anyway, the other thing that we've done, which isn't so common perhaps, but it's something that we can do and we have done for one or two other customers. I can't quite see it from here, but you may notice, and if you know Massey's well, you'll know you can't have from the factory Visio roof for loader work and have GPS. But what we've been able to do is tick the option box for speed steer, so that then gives you the steering control valve that you need, and the bits to sort of effectively make it steer, and it has the wiring in the cab from the factory up to where you can see the 2 manual spool valves, that B pillar there, and we ordered it with the screen so we can run the steering through it. And then when the tractor comes, all we have to do, I say all we have to do, it's still a reasonable job, is make a bracket for the roof and mount the GPS receiver on the roof and do a bit of wiring in the cab, and Bob's your uncle. So here we are, sat in the cab now. It's just a fair view in front of you with the front mower on it. But what I wanted to show you in here was the screen really, and obviously on a Visio roof tractor usually you can't have factory steering, but what we've been able to do, and here's the screen, just scroll to the side there, and because I've only just started the tractor, it doesn't show it with a signal at the moment, but it does. It's all working. We've just tested it, so there we go. There it goes now. It's just come on. Look, it takes a few seconds to warm up from cold. So there we go. We've got a loader ready 7S.180 efficient spec, but we've done a few modifications so we can run the front linkage, front PTO, front spools, and do the side shift for the front mower, and also have a loader fitted. Obviously you wouldn't have it at the same time, but it all works, and it'll all work really well. And I'm sure our customer, who I know watches these videos, so I'm sure I'll get a bit of feedback from him. I'm sure he'll be very happy with this machine. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you got this far, good on you. Appreciate it. I suppose as it gets drier, there'll be more content coming. Cheers, guys.